I loved it. It was awesome to go back to education. The thing I've learnt about going back to school, I've graduated in 2 different courses now, this one and teaching adult students. And the thing I've learnt is we don't have enough Māori and Pacific Island educated people out there. So yeah, Te Wānanga is a good place to study. At the time, before I started studying, I was actually driving buses for NZ buses. I decided it was time for a change, having my first granddaughter coming along. And I just want to put it out there that if you feel that you can't continue your education because it might be too hard, just know there's help there. Look what I'm doing. It's my job to support you to get through your course.